Well, hello everybody. Welcome back. It's Jenny with another funky format quick pick deal. And you want to know because it's something that we use all the time and something you need in your pantry. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, come on in. We got different deals here. Yes, we do the deals that everybody else does, but we also dive into our coupons and make deals on things that we use every day and consume. And so you don't miss them. Look below and hit the subscription button and that notification bell because we have them every day. And you don't want to miss any of our deals, our steals, our glitches, our free stuff, our awesome vibes, our great information, and all the love we have here for you at this channel. So be one of us. Become one of our crazy friends. Subscribe below. All right, everybody, you know the rest of the spiel. Please leave that 3-word comment that YouTube likes so much. Let the video play in its entirety, if you would, and let those ads play through. And if you like one, feel free to click on it. It'll bring you right back to the video. I love you, and I thoroughly appreciate everything you do for me and our channel. And just so you know, when you help the channel, you're helping thousands of other people that you don't even know yet. And speaking of that, look in the comments. Always read the comments. You'll find new friends. You'll find lots of information. Feel free to interact with those friends in the comments. All right, everybody. Let's talk about some Gatorade because we've got to earn and we've got a Gatorade deal. We got the 3 for $4 on the Gatorade. We got to earn $1 on 2. So we're going to pick up $8 worth of Gatorade. That's 6 Gatorades. That is 6 Gatorades, okay? So you're going to be at $8. You're going to get $1 back. It's going to be $7 for 6 Gatorades. Winner, winner, chicken dinner all day long. And of course, if you got spend money, throw that spend money there. Spend it down, okay? You use that money and to buy those things that we consume that we don't get a lot of good coupons on. Next, we're going to talk about the Tasty Cake breakfast snacks and snacks. You've got the pecan swirls and the honey buns. The 6-pack of honey buns, 6-pack of the pecan swirls. Swirls! And you're looking at $4.15. You're going to get a 40-cent earn back on that, okay? Or 45-cent earn back on that. It's not a big earn, but it's, not a big price either for these 2 items. And there's a lot of little snack in those 2 items. A lot of breakfast out the door for the kids. So that actually would be... This is particularly useful if you're going to buy these things anyway. More snacks for your kiddos' lunchbox or after school. We're going to do the fruit roll-ups. We're going to do 2 of those for $2, and you've got a earn of 50 cents. I'm sorry, not an earn. You have got a coupon for 50 cents. And lastly, we're going to pick up 3 dollar cans of Pepsi products, Mountain Dew or Pepsi, and 2 of these stacks. Because that $2 coupon that we've got, that's a store coupon. Oh, wait a minute, I think it's a manufacturer. It is a manufactured coupon, so we can't really stack it with anything at this moment. So we're going to go ahead and use that one in this deal as well. And let's get you some final math for all this good food stuff. Now, I want to say you can do this deal any day of the week. Alright? But it would be better done on Saturday because we're going to save an extra $5. This can be a 5 off 25, or you can pair it with one of your big laundry deals like the for sale deal or an instant savings deal with the Arm & Hammer and use your 10 off of 40. Okay, so you can use that either way that goes. But if you're going to do Saturday, we're going to add 2 of the Nature Valley granola bars to that. And the reason that we're going to do that is because these things are already on a tremendous sale. They're normally $5 a box. They're on sale right now, 2 for $6. That's a savings of $4 out the gate. And then you've got dollar coupons on them and earns. But now I want you to look. It is stacking with that spend 10. Okay? Spend 10 and save $2. So, I did not realize that until just a few minutes ago. So we are at 6 granola bars. If you were going to push this and go to your spend 40 and save 10, pick up more granola bars. Okay? Or not, well, whatever type of bars that you want, Nature Valley. Because you have a earn on 2, you got a save on 2, so you could be saving, $2 plus 2 more dollars by picking up 2 more granola bars, okay? And I think in the math, I'm going to make notations of that for you, and then you can decide which way you want to go with this. All right, guys, here's your math on all of this stuff. Okay, this is your long list of all the first items that we just talked about. And this is on a 5 off 25. Bottom line is you're $17.15 out of pocket for 19 items, guys. Under $1 an item. And you're getting Gatorade. You're getting Tasty Cakes. You're getting fruit roll-ups. You're getting Brisk Tea. You're getting Lay's chips. You're getting Pepsi products. And you're getting granola bars. Okay? All for under $1 a piece. Winna, chicken dinner. Now, like I said, we discovered that additional offer. And it's still going to be a great deal. Because even if you add 2 more granola bars, it's going to bring it up a little bit. But after you take your coupons away, your final out-of-pocket is going to be $20.15. Alrighty? For 21 items. Winna, chicken dinner. Again, every single one of these items under $1. So, blessings. Yes. Blessings, guys. And thank you for being my crazy friends. Don't forget to leave me some channel love. Leave that comment. The thumbs up, thumbs down. Don't really matter. Share, even if you just share with yourself. And let the video play. If you're here, you did. And I love you bunches for doing it. And please remember, this is so important. So at the beginning of the video, if you have a problem remembering to click the like button sometimes like I do it as soon as you come in. As a thank you just for being there. I appreciate and love you bunches, guys. Blessings. Next video, we'll save more money. And you know you want to know.